Hey y'all, I just wanted to hop on. I'm at the house. I came here earlier to clear out some stuff because the photographer and videographer is here taking the before photos. I'm very excited. I feel like this is kind of the first major step to this renovation, capturing what it looks like before all of the work is done. So my camera's about to die, but I'm gonna capture as much of him being here and walking through the place and everything as I can. Okay, I'm gonna quickly try to capture. We had to sit some of the stuff that I had in the living room out so he can get everything on the inside. I know my plant's happy. What's up, y'all? I am back. It's the end of the day. I just wanted to hop back on because the contractor had the people drop off the dumpster truck today. The dumpster, meaning they are about to get started very soon, probably on Monday. Today is Thursday. Probably on Monday, they're gonna get started on the bathroom. So I just went through the entire house in detail. Oh my God, there's so many bees. I just went through the entire house, took detailed video and photos of every single thing on my phone and on my camera so that I can make sure, just to capture as much before content as possible, because this house is about to look completely different in the next few weeks. So I'll probably, once they start working on the bathroom, come back and take some more videos of the bathroom, of course, as they're dumping stuff out. Hopefully I get to be a part of demolition, but I just wanted to show y'all the dumpster is here. I'm super excited. So I'll probably be back on tomorrow, or at least by Monday, when they start demolition and stuff. The sink is gone. It feels so much bigger in here. Okay, cool.
Alright. Junior, I'll catch you in a little while. Alright, Alright. Okay, perfect. Yeah, hit me if you need me. Them got to be good, huh? Yeah. Alright.
Alright, see you later.
All right.
Ooh. Since we've been together. Yeah, so I'm trying my best not to be in the way. I told the general contractor like I'm gonna be recording, I'm capturing everything, so you know I'm gonna try my best not to be in the way, but I'm definitely gonna try to get as much content as I can. As soon as they open up the bathroom door, I'm gonna go take a quick video of how it looks, you know, just bare, like it's completely empty to the walls, like the walls are gone. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much as I can today, and then I think he said the window person is gonna be coming soon. So basically the deal with the windows are like back order right now. So y'all know with COVID, everything kind of shut down, and now even a year later things are on back order. So the specific type of windows I want, I'm getting black frames instead of like the traditional white frames. So it's gonna take 6 to 8 weeks for that to be ready. So I'm trying to order it now, so by the time that all the other renovations are done, I can put my windows in, you know, because all the windows in this house is busted. They don't open, and you know they're the original windows, so it's definitely time for a window upgrade. But yes, I am so excited.
Oh, yeah. You here? Yeah, I know.
Whoa, that's right.
These doors are not good for you.
Mm-hmm. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to hop on and kind of give an overview of the day, just kind of debrief. It ain't even been a long day. It feel like a long day, but we was only at the house maybe like 3.5 hours or so. Hello.
May I speak with Brittany, please?
Hi, this is Brittany.
Hi, Brittany. It's Courtney. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So I just got your voicemail and just wanted to give you a call back. So it looks like you said work is starting. You just kind of wanted next steps, I guess, for when you guys are ready for a draw.
Yeah. So I guess
okay.
Because on the email that we received, it said the work had to be done by a specific deadline, but I think you said don't pay attention to that.
No, you definitely have a completion date. So hold on. Let me see what.
Because it says like
it looks like right in
October 6th or something like it.
October 8th. And so this would be based on either your homeowner agreement or renovation agreement that was signed during your processing and closing of your loan. Now, if it comes down to it and you guys need additional time, you would just have to let us know and we would send you guys an extension form, which pretty much asks a few questions. What's your proposed completion date? What's remaining of the work? Is your contractor actively involved? Things like that.
Okay.
Both you and your contractor sign off on it. Once we have that back in our hands, and we would update the dates on your file. So, I mean, it's not a hard process. It's just about communication, just letting us know that you guys do need that additional time.
Okay.
time?
Yeah, he definitely said like probably mid-October. So I'm gonna check. Next time I'm able to talk with him, I'll just ask, and then I'll get back in touch with you.
Awesome. That will work. And then if he is ready for a draw, whether it be material or the progress draw, if it's a material draw, he will need to provide an invoice for his material cost.
Okay.
We would take up to 50% of that material cost and send you guys the draw documents needed for that payment. If he is ready for a progress draw, then we would order an inspection. That third-party inspection company would schedule that with you and the or either or, just whoever's available at the property.
Okay.
Once that inspection is done, they will send it back over to us and we'll review it. And progress draws are based on work complete. So whatever percentage that inspection shows complete, we'll disperse accordingly.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's the same kind of process. Once we figure out the amount we're dispersing, we'll send you guys the draw documents needed for that payment. And then goes back, we'll issue payment. And then once work gets complete, kind of same process, except for we'll order a final inspection. Appraiser confirms all is done, and then we send you guys the final draw documents for payment.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Now, let me see. Let me confirm the permits are required for your job. Hold on one second. It does look like there's a general building permit required. So if he's looking for progress draw number 1, we will need a copy of that permit when he submits it.
Okay.
Now, if he's looking just for the material, we do not require the permit for the material draw, just the actual first progress draw for work completed, because he should always have permit in place before he does any work.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. I will definitely update him tomorrow. Today they just came in and like pretty much took out, stuff, took out cabinets and all of that. So I think next week will be like materials and stuff. So I will definitely be in touch with you soon.
Absolutely. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know, okay?
Okay, thanks.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. Okay, so that was a lady from my mortgage company, from my lender. So essentially the type of mortgage that I have, it combines the cost of the house and the renovation loan. So instead of me having to go out and get like a separate renovation loan through another like third party, everything is combined together. So with that, there are a bunch of like rules and restrictions on, when we can get the money, how much money we can withdraw at a time, what that money has to go towards, and things like that. And there's also a deadline on when the renovations have to be finished. So essentially, I just talked to a lady from the renovation department. She just kind of wanted to check in. Well, actually, I called her earlier because I just wanted to make sure, check in on the deadline for the renovation, and then also make sure, what else? Make sure the money, make sure that they don't need anything from me right now, because they did kind of start some work today. Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure we kind of sticking to the guidelines, just so everything runs smoothly. And yeah, right now I'm gonna go get some tacos. But like I was saying, it's been a long, short day. For real. I feel like I was there all day. My allergies acting crazy. But moral of the story for today, all of the cabinets are pretty much out. Realized that whoever worked on this house before, so basically it was a lady before me that owned the house, and then someone before her, like an investor, had came through, got the house like in livable condition, and then I think she came through and tried to like spice it up, add some design, update things. But basically everything up in there is DIY. Like they just threw some stuff together. So how like under your kitchen sink or just any sink in your house, it's a big white pipe usually, going from the sink to like the piping underneath the house that goes to like the city and things like that. Comes to find out, the pipe ain't even connected. Like the pipe under the cabinet, under the sink, was just loose. Like it was just not screwed in, no type of stability at all. So basically, when you turn on the sink, most likely water is leaking from this pipe into the crawl space. So, you know, when you look at the crawl space, you see there's a lot of moisture down there. A lot of that moisture could have been coming from the sinks, from the kitchen sink, which probably contributed to all the bugs, all the roaches. You know, they like moisture and dark places. So it makes sense. Stuff's starting to add up. Then in the kitchen, there's this like a beam, kind of. Yeah, there's a beam that kind of separates the living space in the kitchen. So basically, we're trying to figure out like why there are cracks along the ceiling where the beam meets the ceiling. Come to find out, when they took the cabinets out today, we were able to see that the 2x4, so like, you know, like a thing of wood, you can, so basically how they have it now, it's laid on the wide side, so it's flat. Essentially, it's supposed to be flipped on the thin side like this, and then stacked like a line next to each other, multiple 2x4 stacked a line next to each other, versus like stacked on top, because it causes it to dip in the middle, you know, after so long, like the weight of the house and everything, it dips. So the damn house is basically falling apart, like slowly, you know. So yeah, I'm just glad it's getting done. I'm glad that they are cutting holes in all the walls, because that means that they're gonna have to redo and resand all the walls. The walls are so like bumpy and just not smooth. So everything is pretty much gonna be new. Like it's gonna be good. I'm very excited. I'm really just trying to make sure I capture as much as I can. I've never really vlogged before, so you know, this is new for me. So yeah, just trying to really just make some good content for y'all. Yeah.